Good day mga kachings, another day, another blessing na sa na sa day order. The order is the size is 7 inches diameter by 6 inches in height. So ang gusto sa client is blue and white, the combination of two. So padayon ta sa atong pag-icing. So magsugod na tag color no sa clients requested no the blue. So the colors inyong makita this the combination of blue, red, and black. So that's the three colors combination yung mana siya result. So the same color rasad ng gimatch na to sa pictures nga uniform sa atong birthday celebrant. Kato ibutan diya sa iyang toppers no. So let's continue our icing, and we have also the combination of another accent nga blue. The combination is only blue and black. So atong gihimong second color sa iyang accent icing. So this is it. Let's continue. So that's our final color for our cake. And we will put na some accents and toppers. So let's start ato pagbutan sa atong mga toppers, and we will put also the accent of gold, and we will put it later. Okay. Okay, that's the final no. We put na the mga accessories. So we have the both the silver. This is also the combination of silver also in gold. So we put some gold flakes kanatong gibutan diya, and then we put also some edible drudges nga mga silver. This is our final cake, and this is it. We're done with our special birthday cake for men. And to Ma'am Luna, thank you so much for trusting Ching's Cake. And to all mga ka-Chings, thank you so much for watching, and God bless.
Thank you.